What's going on YouTube? Welcome to my channel Money Moves with Kay. I am Kay, and today we're going to talk about the exact Google search I use to find cheap mobile homes. Make sure you stick around to the very end of the video. I have over 15 search or keywords to put into Google that you can utilize as well. So make sure you stick around to the very end of the video. But for right now, let's go ahead and get started. So first of all, you go to Google. Okay, that's the first step. And what you're going to search is, and my first search is going to be dedicated to like repossessions, right? Or bank-owned properties, okay? And in theory, this works because you're pretty much putting in a keyword that is tagged on a website, right? So that is also on a website, and it'll pull up various resources and places where you can find repossessed mobile homes. In a second, I'll get to other keywords, but for right now, I want to focus on bank-owned or repossessed mobile homes. Okay, so right here it says bank in the search engine. Let me slow down because I'm getting excited. In the search engine, put bank owned property. You can put plus, you don't have to put plus, that's fine if you just take that away. The addition signs. All right, so bank owned property, mobile home, and then you put the state. So I'm going to focus on Texas for my example. Once again, it's bank owned property, mobile home, Texas. And by the way, if you say you're going too fast, Kay, I need additional help as far as like what to put in a search engine, just pause it. Simple as that. Pause it, go to your mobile device, your cell phone or your computer, and click in the words bank owned property, mobile home, and then the state that you're interested in. In this case, I'm interested in Texas. I'm gonna search. Now, I've done a video in the past on 21st Mortgage, so I'm not going to click that, but that is a good resource for you. Just in case you didn't know, that's a great resource for you to find repossessed or used mobile homes that have been taken back by the bank from those who have defaulted on their payments. Okay, so 21st Mortgage is one resource, but let's go to some other places, right? Maybe that are more regionalized or local to the Texas area. And here we go. We have Maverick Manufactured Homes in Tyler, Texas. So this is why I like putting in specific things into the search engine, is because you will pull up various regional and local businesses that sell these mobile homes as well. Okay, so not just the ones that you recognize like 21st Mortgage, you'll find some regional ones as well, which is very key because that's where a lot of times you can find some of these deals. So all of these properties are pre-owned and bank repo homes. So you see how I use bank repo homes. I think I hinted to that in the keyword or my search engine in order to pull up exactly how they use that verbiage on their website is what I'm trying to say. All right, so that's one. And of course, by the way, I always mention this, do your due diligence. Even on the recommendations on this Google search, you have to do your due diligence on the actual company, the website, and best price, okay? And what they're asking for and all that good stuff. And the repairs that are needed for those used, because they are used or repossessed mobile homes. All right, so another reason why I like this search is because it not only pulls up regional and local businesses, it pulls up banks. It also pulls up some Zillow listings, Redfin listings, and Facebook listings. Okay, so if you say, I don't want to go to Facebook and search all day for this, this will kind of shortcut your time in order for you to find these mobile homes that are repossessed. So this is a Texas bank-owned homes, REO properties for sale. That's on Zillow. Repo Mobile Homes of Texas. You have to do your due diligence to make sure that's a legit group on Facebook as well. Mobile Home Concepts. Let me scroll down and go to the next page. And I do want to encourage you guys to always search multiple pages, not just the first page and you're done. Not a one and done, okay? You want to make sure you search each and every page because that's where the gold is. A lot of times when I bring these videos to you, I'm searching on every single page. I'm not just searching the first page, okay? So Bank of America, you have USDA. I've done a video on that in the past about farms. You have South State Bank. I think I've mentioned South State Bank before. So you would click this in order to see their listings if they have any mobile homes or homes. If you're not interested in mobile homes, but you say I'm open to a brick and mortar home as well, then that's a cool idea as well. Texas Repos, wholesale mobile homes. Okay, keep going down. Scroll down, scroll down. I'll go on the third page and see what's popping off. Okay, so Repo Mobile Homes. That's another Facebook group. This is a county, so it talks about the foreclosures, and I'll get to counties in just a second because counties do sell mobile homes for tax delinquencies, right? So keep that in mind. I'll get to that in just a second. Just hold tight with me. Manufactured housing consultants, I don't know necessarily if they have mobile homes, but you get the point. You're going to go page by page and see what is available, okay? A lot of times what I've noticed with the mobile homes that I've been researching, these companies, is that they are local mom and pops, right? They're family-owned companies that sell repossessed mobile homes. So their online presence may not be as grand as it should be. So keep that in mind too. Just because it's on page 5 doesn't necessarily mean it's not a legit company, and doesn't necessarily mean that you can't find a good deal. It's just that they may not be able to rank high on Google, and that requires some back end stuff I'm not going to talk about today. But again, bank-owned property mobile home in Texas, that's what you're going to be searching to find, or your state, not just Texas. If it's South Carolina, if it's North Carolina, whatever, if it's Ohio, you put it here. So put your particular state. Moving on. The next thing I search is sheriff sales. Okay, so sheriff sales are also a great way to find mobile homes and properties in general, land and all types of properties. So you can search sheriff sale mobile home. Plus is right here. You don't have to have the addition sign or the plus. You can just put sheriff sale mobile home, and I chose the state of Delaware, so you could put your state here. If it's Texas, it's Ohio, you get the point. And it will pull up sheriff sales in these particular, the state that you're looking for. Now this says Delaware, Pennsylvania, so I probably should have been more specific. And a lot of times also, let me mention this here, make sure you also put the county as well. Putting the county specifies even more. So you're not just looking at all of Texas, like there's a ton of counties in Texas. You may just be looking for a particular county, okay? So Delaware County might be even more specific, but that's Pennsylvania, okay? So yeah, just so you pull up what you're looking for, you can also use the county too. So it doesn't just have to be the state, it could be the county as well, all right? And last but not least, I wanna mention delinquent taxes. So I mentioned it earlier in my video. So I put a state here, but just keep in mind that you put any state, but I'm putting South Carolina. States like Florida, Arizona, North Carolina, South Carolina, Tennessee. There's some other states, they do sell mobile homes that are on the tax delinquent list. Now, the kicker here is you need to identify, is that mobile home attached to the land as well? Most times it's not, it's sold separately, and they will specify on the website, the county website, if the mobile home is sold separately or together. And again, my experience with mobile homes on the tax delinquent list is they're sold separately. So you may need to have your own land, which is cool because I show you how to find your own land on this channel as well. There's no excuses, okay? So you put the state, so I'm putting South Carolina as an example because I just mentioned that South Carolina is one of those states in which they sell mobile homes from the tax delinquent list. So I put South Carolina mobile home delinquent taxes list or tax list. All right. So again, you can pause it right here and place this into your search engine on Google and try to figure out what are some properties that have what you're looking for. All right. Okay. So this is Marion County. So let me click Marion County, South Carolina. So they have a tax delinquent. It takes you straight to the county, which is what I love, right? It takes you straight to the county. Now, these lists, it just depends on how the county is dealing with their tax delinquencies. Sometimes they use a third party such as GovDeals or GovEase, Public Surplus, but a lot of times they have these delinquent properties on their actual website, such as this one. All right, so this is a 2025 list, but also check back. I know we're in 2026. Check back to ensure that these properties have or have not sold, because if they have not sold, they may have gone to a surplus list, which means that you can also purchase from that list, meaning the properties that didn't sell at auction. Okay, so keep that in mind. This is an auction. So you have a list here and you have a ton of properties. These are mobile homes, okay? And if you see the prices, and again, this is 2025, I'm keeping that in mind. You want an updated list and updated information, but it tells you the taxes that are due here, right? On this far right column, $2,000, $681. $461, $395. The list goes on. So could you imagine purchasing a mobile home for what is due, the past due taxes of a property? That would be great, right? That would be great for you, not necessarily for the owner, of course. So Georgia is also on this list as well for having mobile homes for at tax. Ooh, let me separate that. Okay, let's see what they have here. Okay, this is just the overall delinquency tax list. Was it Harris County? Yes. So Henry County, excuse me. So Henry County tax delinquencies, they separated, say, view manufactured mobile home tax sale list. You would click that and it will pull up. Let's check it out. You would click this. We're sorry, but it's not Weber match. Okay. View tax sale list. Is this mobile homes? I don't think so. Okay, so they may not have any mobile homes on the list. So if nothing pulled up, it could be that they don't have anything on the list. My point with showing you that I'm trying to say that they do carry mobile homes. It depends on the county. Not all the counties separated in that manner. I love when counties do. It makes it easier for me to check it out, okay? But there are a lot of counties within Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, Florida, etc., that have these mobile homes on the list. And if you want to be even more specific, as I said earlier, you can say Cobb County, specifically, or Henry County here, and it'll pull it up as well. All right. Now, the last thing I want to show you is just for your information, FYI. Okay. So these are a ton of various keywords that you can put into Google that will also pull up some repossessed, tax delinquent mobile homes, or just cheap mobile homes for you, matching the language that's on the website of these companies or county websites. Okay. So if you want to, you can pause the video here and you can actually put this into Google as well and just search. Spend some time searching this information. You'll be surprised at what you find, and you'll be surprised at the deals that you find with regards to finding a mobile home. All right. That's the end of my video. I truly do appreciate you watching until this point. If you made this far in a video, in the comment section, put no excuses. It lets me know that you made it here, and I truly do appreciate it. I don't take my platform for granted. I appreciate you being here. Please, in the comments, put no excuses. And until next time, guys, you stay blessed. Peace.